If you're a photographer looking to change your kit and make some extra cash, you can sell your camera gear to KEH from the comfort of home. This new process of selling to KEH is easy. Simply reserve a time with one of our experts, and we'll assess the value of your gear over video chat. You'll need a computer, tablet, or smartphone connected to the internet, as well as a flashlight and a quiet, well-lit room. Before your appointment, organize your gear by system and have bodies loaded with batteries so we can quickly assess the condition of your items. Our experts will walk you through the inspection every step of the way before giving you a quote. Then we'll help you pack everything up and arrange for a front door pickup. Once we receive your gear, we'll do a hands-on inspection and contact you with the final offer. It's that easy to sell your gear with KEH.